ACCA बहुत टफ होता है. ACCA is very tough. You know, there are 13 papers in that. काम के साथ मैनेज नहीं होगा, वर्क के साथ मैनेज नहीं होगा, फुल टाइम कॉलेज के साथ मैनेज नहीं होगा. Someone is doing BBA with ACCA, BCom with ACCA, and you know there are a lot of confusion around कि करना चाहिए ACCA या नहीं, BCom के साथ करना चाहिए या नहीं, या फिर अदर डिग्रीज के साथ परस्यू करना चाहिए या नहीं. तो चलिए डायरेक्ट ACCA के बच्चों से जानते हैं who have just cleared their few papers, especially performance management उन्होंने क्लियर किया. तो यूनिक ग्लोबल एजुकेशन के बच्चों से जानते हैं how was their experience about pursuing the examination of ACCA. Your name please.
Hello, I'm Lisha Gandhi.
My name is Vignesh Pillai. I am 19.
आपने कब क्लियर किया अपना PM पेपर?
I cleared my PM paper recently in March 2025.
So I cleared my PM paper in March 2025.
I cleared that paper in March 25.
That was your first attempt, right?
My first attempt, yes.
You were studying full time या फिर साथ में कॉलेज था, वर्क था?
I had my college going on with that.
I was doing a lot of things. I had a cafe to run and I had my college and was managing ACCA.
You were attending college full time?
Not full time, but yeah, half time.
Okay. स्टडी टाइम से रिलेटेड अगर किसी को मैनेज करना है वर्क के साथ या फिर फुल टाइम कॉलेज के साथ, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
So I believe that equal proportion में attention they should divide. Time management रहना चाहिए. Every day एक minimum 2 to 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours you should study ACCA, and because that will really help you to grasp the concepts and will help you majorly in clearing the paper.
लुकिंग एट द सिलेबस, जैसे कि बहुत लोगों को लगता है ACCA में इतने सारे पेपर्स है, क्रेडिबल सर्टिफिकेशन है, टफ है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक एनीवन विद देयर कॉलेज विद देयर वर्क कैन मैनेज ACCA?
Yes, definitely they can. It is very flexible and it is not that difficult. You should just like denote a little time to that.
I think a minimum of 2 to 3 hours daily consistently would work if you want to pass any subject. That's it.
3 hours, 4 hours
3
is
hours,
maximum.
yeah. Minimum.
Okay,
A
minimum.
minimum of 3 hours. 2.5, 3 hours.
You're planning to pass this paper, overall planning to, appear for the examination.
Yes, I'll keep on appearing examinations.
For a certification like ACCA, जिसमें इतने सारे पेपर्स है, 2 से 3 घंटे बहुत कम नहीं है क्या?
Not really. अगर if you are grasping the concepts really well, or if you know the concepts, if you are understanding the base of the concept, तो 2-3 घंटा are enough. I myself FR और PM के लिए I studied 2 to 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours only in a day. So yeah, I feel that if you are studying it very carefully and thoroughly, then it should be enough.
What was the hours you have been denoting to ACCA to clear this paper?
Minimum 3 to 4 hours is minimum that we should denote to ACCA.
I mean, 3 to 4 hours giving every day would be enough for a student.
Yes, every day.
Okay.
I did study for 3 hours only in a day, but I did what the teachers gave me. They gave us a lot of pointers to how to study on, and I think that was really helpful, and that's how I planned my studies accordingly. Everyone has different plans. So.
Okay. You were doing with college, right?
Yeah, BCom and ACCA.
Not attending or non-attending?
Attending.
Attending. So colleges कब तक होते थे आपका?
Colleges used to start at 7:30 a.m. in the morning to 12 at the noon, and then I used to come to for ACCA from 2 to 6.
How do you plan with your college? I mean, your college assignments also have been happening, और उसके साथ फिर ACCA की preparation भी.
I
How
think
did you manage?
preparing a schedule will help a lot.
So I used to rewatch the lectures which were recorded and used to manage my time. I used to complete my assignments which were given in the college during the college hours, and I used to pay my full attention towards ACCA so that I can manage my time well, and also the college shouldn't be interfering in the time I have devoted to ACCA.
Any specific topic in performance management that students should focus on?
I think key performance indicators, the ratios. I think that was the part that students should more focus on.
Yeah, actually, activity-based budgeting is really an important concept which I thought was important, and also the variance analysis would be one of the other topics which I really paid attention in.
Yeah, I think activity-based budgeting is something which students should focus on, and variances also is really important.
कौन से ऐसे resources थे, books थे आपने consult किए while doing this preparation?
Specifically the notes which were given by the teachers, I referred them the most, and also ACCA Study Hub which helped me the most, and I also solved a lot of mock papers during the exam, before the exams.
How did Unique help you in the entire process?
Unique was very supportive. The teachers helped in all way they can. They gave us extra notes, they gave us extra tests, everything we need it for.
फॉर परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट मैंने बस लेक्चर्स देखे हैं एंड ऑल्सो द BPP बुक जिसका मैंने वर्क बुक एंड स्टडी टेक्स्ट मैंने रेफर किया था. अदर देन दैट नथिंग एल्स.
लॉन्ग टर्म क्वेश्चन से सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन को टैकल करने के लिए क्या स्ट्रेटजी आपने अपनाई?
I think understanding the concepts is the main thing. Not just memorizing, but also practicing with that is also important.
So for long term, for the long questions in C-section questions, the institution Unique ने हम लोग को बहुत सारे mock papers and the site पे ACCA के site पे जाके बहुत सारे questions करवाए थे. So yeah, that really helped. And also मैंने घर पे खुद BPP के questions C-section के attempt किए.
एक्स्ट्रा आपने क्या किया लॉन्ग फॉर्म में सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन को टैकल करने के लिए?
रीडिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैंने जब मैं लिख नहीं पाता था, प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाता था, आई वुड जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो भी बड़े 20 मार्क्स वाले क्वेश्चन है उनको बस पढ़ लेना था एंड जस्ट कीप इट इन माइंड. मतलब एक बार वो पैराग्राफ समझ में आएगा कि कैसे लिखते हैं, सो इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट.
रिवीजन के लिए क्या किया था आपने?
रिविजन के लिए आई स्टडी द टेक्स्ट, उसको thoroughly पढ़ा एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई did the objectives which were given in the course book, in the workbook of BPP. That should be enough, I feel.
अगर टाइम को मैप किया जाए तो एक पेपर देने के लिए अप्रोक्सीमेटली कितना टाइम आपने दिया होगा?
Hours में?
मंथ में आप
Month
बता दो.
में?
2 to 3 hours you said you have given
Yeah.
every day.
Yeah. So I cleared the PM paper, I would say, in 2.5 months. मैंने I studied for that long because December end तब से चालू हो गया था PM का. So I effectively 2 to 2.5.
जैसे कि आपने क्लियर तो कर लिया, वेरी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर दैट. लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ऐसा क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि वन मिस्टेक ऐसा कुछ उनको अवॉइड करना चाहिए while doing the preparation?
We should, of course, start studying regularly, and yeah, we should not take it very lightly.
जी मतलब बहुत बच्चे सीरियसली नहीं लेते एग्जाम को, तो फिर आई थिंक दे शुड बी अ लिटिल सीरियस. एंड अभी तो मेरे भी कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे जो बहुत सारे फेल हो चुके हैं, सो आई विल सजेस्ट देम एज वेल एंड यॉल एज वेल कि 3 घंटा मिनिमम पढ़ाई करते रहो, इवन इफ यू हैव अदर वर्क.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम ACCA, अगर ACCA जर्नी में आगे बढ़ना है तो what would you suggest to the students apart from the curriculum and academics?
One will be to attend every lectures which are given and also pay attention to other courses like corporate grooming and other like videos which the institution is giving you, is providing for you, which will really help in you know getting the concepts clear and also progressing in your ACCA journey.
Say something about corporate grooming program. How this will help students to grow in their career?
Corporate grooming program will help us in our soft skills and whenever we give our internship or any interviews like that, so it will help us a lot.
आपका corporate grooming start हो गया क्या?
नहीं.
Okay. Are you enjoying ACCA?
Yes, definitely I'm enjoying ACCA.
Okay. Last question. Are you enjoying ACCA?
I am thoroughly enjoying ACCA. It is really fun, and I would definitely recommend people to do it because it's unique. It's better than to study 14 hours a day. Definitely. So I would surely recommend it.
14 hours a day for?
CAs.
Yes. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
वेलकम टू यूनिक अकेडमी फॉर कॉमर्स, जहां पढ़ाई नहीं करियर बनता है. लाखों परिवार और कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट का भरोसा यूनिक अकेडमी फॉर कॉमर्स पर है.
Join us and build your career in CS, ACCA, CA, CMA, CPA, CFA, FRM, CFP. इंडिया से ग्लोबल तक कॉमर्स के हर सपने का सॉल्यूशन एक जगह.
यूनिक अकेडमी फॉर कॉमर्स,